In class, we read Whitsun Weddings by Philip Larkin and analyzed it through the drawing of his physical and mental journey from Hull to London. During my analysis of the work, I realized that there is an abundant use of literary traits. Here are a few. I recognized that there is a lot of imagery that relates to traveling by train, and wrote these quotes down along the way. For example, "And now and then the smell of grass displaced the reek of buttoned carriage cloth," and "bright knots of rail." These quotes implant a visual train journey in your mind. This is one of Larkin's fortes. I also noticed that his transition from being indifferent to marriage to considering it deeply is elucidated through the last stanza, where Larkin states that "a sense of falling like an arrow shower sent out of sight." This marks his descent into acceptance. Another interesting line is when the poem expresses that the families of the people getting married wore heels and veils, and they waved goodbye. This symbolizes not only a wedding, but this can also symbolize a funeral. This could signify that the brides and grooms are leaving, or dying, in their old life alone, and departing on a voyage of newfound adventure and entering a new chapter of life. His encapsulation of both the concepts of funerals and the aforementioned quote about the falling arrow shower can lead us to presuppose that he fears and resents death. This notion is further explicated when we read other Larkin poems such as Obaid or Bridge for the Living. In order to conclude this, it is viable to perceive that Larkin's trip to London was his attempt at turning over a new page in his life, and it is possible that the weddings he witnessed caused him to reinterpret his morals and ideals.